But perfection doesn't always come from playing by the rules. Sometimes you have to break them. There's an Italian concept that, to me, sums up why Tuscans are so keen to fight for their traditions. Campanilismo, from the Italian for bell tower, is a fierce belief that you belong not to your country, but to the area within earshot of your bell tower. But the word also carries with it a darker connotation, a fear of anything that is foreign, be it people, religion, or even food.